Hey, it's Tiffany. If you are working on ditching your plastic containers and switching to stainless steel, I have some really great finds for you. We personally have ditched the plastics recently, and so we got all new stainless steel containers, lunchbox for a toddler. Wanted to make sure that the food was going to be warm or cool when we needed it, depending on what we were packing. So we picked up this stainless steel Benko lunchbox. It has food grade silicone on the top to keep the sections suctioned and airtight. Also have a little snack separator here. And then we also grabbed the lunch bag that it does fit into, which is really great. It's fully insulated. You can stick a ice pack up in the top, zipper it up so it stays in place, and then you can put it in the backpack. But what I'm excited about also are these additional containers. They have a food grade safe silicone top that just snaps right on, and you can keep additional snacks for the day for your toddler in here. We also have some smaller ones, so you could stick 2 in there. So I have the lunchbox and 3 additional containers in here, and you can still zip up the lunch bag. So you have a ton of space. You have a zipper in the back if you want to put some napkins. You also have the pouch for a drink. You can cinch it in place. Your toddler can hold it here or here. And it also comes with these openings for a strap, which it does come with. Our toddler just prefers to hold it, or we keep it in the backpack. Our toddler wanted dinosaurs this year, so here we are with a insulated bottom piece. So you can stick your lunchbox in here as well if you don't use the lunch bag. And you also have the zipper up here to stick a ice pack in and keep it secured. This is the toddler size backpack, so he's looking forward to wearing his first backpack to school. So exciting. You can stick pens, paper, whatever you need to in the front pocket. And then in the back pocket, you have room for your school folder, an extra pair of changing clothes, anything else that you might need to send to school or daycare. And you have a bottle holder here, and will hold some snacks too if you need to. Padding on the back side, padding on the arms as well, which is great for those little arms and shoulders. You have a buckle right here, so it will stay against their chest, not move around when they're walking. It adjusts as well, so your straps can go smaller or longer for your toddler depending on what size they're at. This can easily be a backpack that can grow with them. So we are excited about this new dinosaur backpack. And then for just day-to-day food storage, I love these stackable containers. They are nesting, so you can keep them stored away, not a lot of space that it takes up. And then it has matching little silicone grade safe lids. So really cute, different prints on top of them as well. So that is our finds. Hope you guys try them out and like them as much as we have. Really excited about this haul. I think it's gonna be great for our